Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder makes kids less focused, more hyperactive, and more likely to act without thinking. ADHD makes it harder for kids to learn how to pay attention, control their actions, feelings, and activities. So, they often act in ways that are hard for their parents to handle. At first, parents might not understand that these are signs of ADHD. It may seem like a child is just misbehaving. Parents of kids with ADHD can feel stressed, angry, or disrespected. Parents might be embarrassed by what other people say about how their child acts. They might wonder if it was because of something they did. But kids with ADHD don't come with the skills they need to control their attention, behavior, and activity. When parents know about ADHD and how to deal with it best, they can help their kids get better and do well. What parenting skills do work with ADHD? Parenting tips that are effective with ADHD. Create structure. Divide tasks into pieces you can handle. Make your child's life easier and more organized. Limit distractions. Encourage exercise. Regulate sleep patterns. Encourage thinking aloud. Advertise wait times. Believe in your child. Find counseling that fits your needs. Take breaks. How should parents deal with ADHD? Children with ADHD symptoms need a lot of help keeping track of their time and getting through their daily tasks. They might also have trouble controlling their impulses. The following ideas might help. Help your hyperactive kids learn to manage their time better by helping them set goals. Then, help them break down their goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Try giving one-step instructions instead of instructions with multiple steps. Help kids learn how to keep track of their own activities by using planners and checklists. Use a chart of rewards and positive feedback to help kids keep track of their progress and stay motivated. Always be the same. Everyone who takes care of a child must use the same system. If they don't, they could hurt each other and make kids confused. Take the time to notice when a child does well. Set up one-on-one time for positive interactions that don't involve punishment or negative feedback. Don't punish common ADHD behaviors like getting distracted. Find ways to help the kids focus on something else. Talk openly and with pride about what your children are good at. How do you discipline a child with ADHD? On seeing ADHD symptoms in kids, you can perform the following activities to discipline them. Provide positive attention. Provide clear instructions. Appreciate your child's hard work. When you need to, use timeout. Ignore small mistakes and let natural consequences happen. Set up a system for giving rewards. What does ADHD look like in parenting? Most new parents have problems that could be signs of ADHD, like not paying attention to directions, forgetting things, being disorganized, losing important things, and feeling like they can't think straight. Some of that can be done by adding a fully dependent person to your busy schedule. How do parents find out if their child has ADHD? If you think that your child have ADHD, you should get ADHD testing by consulting a doctor to see if the signs match the diagnosis. A specialist in mental health like a behavioral therapist or occupational therapist, or a physician, can make the diagnosis according to ADHD ICD-10. What is the best environment for a child with ADHD? Because they often have trouble remembering things and staying focused, kids with ADHD are more likely to do well in a structured environment. But don't mistake a controlled environment for just being strict. Is parenting a child with ADHD hard? ADHD disorder makes kids less focused, more active, and more impulsive than they should be for their age. ADHD makes it harder for inattentive kids to learn the skills that help them pay attention, act well, deal with their feelings, and stay active. So, they often act in ways that are hard for their parents to control. Should you discipline a child with ADHD? Punishing a child with ADHD for bad behavior doesn't work and can even make things worse, because they can't control their emotions and actions like a neurotypical child can. Punishment only makes them feel bad and guilty about things they couldn't change. How do you correct ADHD behavior? Praise and reward people who follow the rules. Give directions or orders that are clear and easy to follow. Set up some good habits. Make a schedule for homework and chores. Help your child make friends, develop strong social skills, and keep in touch with them. What therapy is best for ADHD child? ADHD cure can be treated with behavioral therapy or occupational therapy, which can improve a child's behavior, self-control, and self-esteem. It works best for young kids when parents give it to them.